Did you ever think a simple $1 coin could be worth a fortune? Well, one of the rarest and most valuable modern U.S. coins is the 2000 Sacagawea dollar, with one of them recently selling for a staggering $155,200. If you have a Sacagawea dollar in your collection, it might be worth taking a closer look, as there are some hidden treasures that could make you a fortune. In the year 2000, the United States introduced the Sacagawea dollar, featuring the portrait of Sacagawea, the Native American woman who guided the Lewis and Clark expedition. The reverse of the coin features a majestic eagle in flight. Despite millions of these coins being minted, certain versions of the Sacagawea dollar contain unique features, rare errors, and special varieties that can significantly increase their value. Some of these coins are worth thousands of dollars, or even over $100,000. The ultimate treasure among these coins is the 2000 Sacagawea mule error. This coin is one of the most famous and rarest minting mistakes in U.S. history. Instead of featuring the usual Sacagawea obverse, this error coin was struck with the obverse of a Washington state quarter, a mistake that should never have happened. Less than 20 of these coins are believed to exist, making them incredibly rare. In fact, one of these coins sold for an astonishing $155,250 at auction. So, if you ever find a Sacagawea dollar with George Washington's portrait on it, instead of Sacagawea, you could be holding a coin worth six figures. Next, we have the Cheerios Sacagawea dollar. Before the coin entered circulation, the U.S. Mint partnered with General Mills to promote the new dollar by placing 5,500 Sacagawea dollars inside Cheerios cereal boxes. These coins differ from the regular Sacagawea dollars in that they feature enhanced tail feather details on the reverse. The special design was exclusive to these promotional coins, making them highly collectible today. High-grade Cheerios Sacagawea dollars can now fetch thousands of dollars at auctions. So, if you happen to find one with the distinct feather design, hold on to it. It could be worth much more than $1. There's another interesting twist to the story of the Sacagawea dollar, which involves the artist behind the coin's design, Glenna Goodacre. As a token of appreciation for her work, the U.S. Mint gave Goodacre 5,000 specially prepared Sacagawea dollars known as Goodacre presentation dollars. These coins have a unique burnished finish and were never released into circulation. Due to their limited availability and distinctive finish, Goodacre presentation dollars are highly sought after by collectors. If you find a Sacagawea dollar that appears especially shiny and polished, it may very well be one of these special coins, which could be worth thousands. Another rare variety to watch for is the 2000 Wounded Eagle Sacagawea dollar. This version of the coin contains a die flaw on the eagle's chest, giving the impression that the bird is wounded. The flaw was not noticed in time, and some of these coins were released into circulation. If you spot a raised line or irregularity across the eagle's chest, you may have discovered a valuable coin with this rare die error. So, what makes the 2000 Sacagawea dollar such a treasure? The extreme rarity of coins with minting errors, like the mule error, drives up their value. Special limited edition varieties, such as the Cheerios dollar and Goodacre presentation coins, were never intended for mass circulation, making them much more valuable to collectors. Additionally, unique varieties like the Wounded Eagle add to the coin's collectability. Despite its simple design and golden appearance, the Sacagawea dollar is more than just a regular $1 coin. The coin's unique manganese brass composition gives it a striking golden color, which further enhances its appeal to collectors. Could you have one of these rare coins hidden in your collection? If you own a 2000 Sacagawea dollar, it's worth checking for certain features that might make it incredibly valuable. Look for a coin with the wrong obverse design, enhanced tail feathers, a shiny burnished finish, or a die flaw on the eagle. Even a small coin like this could potentially be worth a small fortune. So, before you spend it, take a closer look. You might be holding a piece of history in your hands. The Sacagawea dollar is more than just a common coin, it could be a valuable collectible. With rare minting errors, limited edition varieties, and unique design features, the 2000 Sacagawea dollar has become one of the most sought-after coins in the numismatic world. If you're lucky enough to find one, it could be worth far more than its face value. So, next time you come across one, be sure to check it closely, you might just have a hidden treasure.